para luma. Nung tayo ay bata pa, at ang galing-galing mong sumayaw, mapabugi man o cha-cha. Ang lahat ng pangarap ko'y bigla lang natunaw. Sa panaginip na lang pala kita maisasayaw. Magkahawak ang ating kamay at walang kamalay-malay na tinuruan mo ang puso ko na umibig ng tunay. La 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 la, la la, la la, la la la, na tinuruan mo ang puso ko na umibig ng tunay.
Strategy! Inintay mo talaga yung huli.
Oh! Why? Sim from the band River Maya.
Pinagalingan ni Ma'am.
Oh!
Can I see an ID, please? For everyone knowing, anong pangalan mo, ilang taong ka na?
Jason Fernandez, 25 years old.
You sang it the way it's supposed to be sang. Pero ako, hinahanap ko nga is, how do you define yourself from the rest? We want you to bring it. And ako, I want you to do that, man. Right? So I'm rooting for you, man. Good luck.
Iconic nga yung kantang yan eh. Yung lungkot ng storyteller, yung hinahanap ko.
Nagawa mo rin na maging vocalista ng River Maya. So, magaling ka talaga. So,
Salamat po.
I believe na there's more in you at Coach Apple right there will be able to bring it out. So, congratulations.
Thank you, maraming
Congratulations.
Apple, salamat. Thank you.
Sometimes you don't have to do some extravaganza to impress someone. I felt your voice, I felt your emotions, and it gave me a lot of ideas so we could really bring it in the next battle part of the show.
Boss, maraming salamat. Basta ako hindi ko sisirain yung tiwalang binigay niyo ngayon sa akin.
Good luck, man. Good luck, ha?
One River Maya vocalist to another.